let's talk about the shit that is happening today. Vandaag at Kerekeni. Is there any relevancy? Because we cannot shy away from the fact that vantshwa va uthana, vantshwa va dyanana, DJ. Let's not shy the hell away from that. So one from this preacher, I think Magata abstinence from sex in 2018, I think is offline.
But don't you think one responsibility to go preachers?
You have the responsibility to talk about reality. From heaven with the new syllabus. Let's face it. AIDS is running wild in charismatic churches. You must look now, sister, worshiping team and stuff. Come out with the microphone. Was one of the common say. Saturday, I'm a damn common say, and I won't ask my Sunday, I'm going to microphone. What is this? Not getting a busy or getting fin. I'm not getting a jola finally, and a stressed condom. My brother, and what's that? What's Nchumayilo pastor now? What is this? So if ever you're this thing has to be harnessed from the roots, from the leadership. If ever you're a pastor and you're telling your boys, fucking compromise. You know what the Lord of saying from this much that's not hard to bloody tell. So they're fucking each other. What is it? Tell your kids or your youth to use condoms. Therefore, there isn't the condom. Info. If ever you can go to any church, any charismatic church, I'm telling you, AIDS is running. If there's a place that is the most dangerous place to be, after Wayne or Amsterdam or in South Africa, it's a fucking church.
I like Nkobani.
No, Nkobani. You already know Kukuna AIDS, so you're going to use a condom. I'm going to buy yam. And the Laguna is severe info. What is this? Kuavan was some because they still want to maintain the image. Yakuyena, Emsalwani, and it's Hembekin. Amaslwen come from this, not Amaslwen Kashquim. It's very dangerous to take a Kerekeni matimba. Kuna difference between kuteka Kerekeni matimba and kuteka yeso matimba. What is this? Use a fucking condom. And pastors need to preach such things. We cannot be it's way too parallel, info. And it's only 19 years in 2018 we must abstain from sex.
But the Bible says but Bibele sex before marriage is a sin. What a Ntchumayilo.
Paul advises about sexual immorality. It's better for people to get married so that they can shy away from sexual immorality. Sexual immorality is obviously because you need to understand marriage. Sex is a soul, it's a covenant between souls.
And I've like sex before marriage is a sin.
There's no side. But what I'm saying is we need to tell these kids or these young boys and girls what is this? And they're already fucking, man. Vana mgenisa kumoyeni mfundisi wa mina Saturday na majama khadi asesi kwalande ka kereke. Nivurini. Pushing me. Let's preach the truth.